So there are two solar panels which you have to activate. So one is on the left side and the other one is on the right side, right corner there. So here, if I talk about my model, I have attached one extended arm in the same arm which I am using to lift the server object, and this arm is going to connect to the solar panel lever and then push it down, and it will activate the solar panel. So in this case, I have attached it in the front and use the same arm which I am using to lift the server object. But in case if you are using only one motor to lift both white cables and servers, then you can dedicate one motor only to activate the solar panels. So in my model, I have attached it in the front, but maybe you can also try attaching it on the back side, where you are moving back and then turning on the solar panels. So there are multiple ways which you can use to solve this challenge. You can definitely try according to your model, what your model is working, how your model is capable of doing this solar panel activation challenge. So I hope you got some ideas how to solve this challenge, what kind of sensors or motors are used to detect some objects, lift some objects, or whatever challenge or the solutions required to do that. So try to come up with your own new ideas also, which might be better than what I have explained. So do try all those ideas. So thank you so much.